Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Afterpay on eBay to make purchases in easy installments. It's quick and simple, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you are signed up with Afterpay. If not, head over to afterpay.com. To create an account, you will need to link a payment method like a debit or credit card. To, a- to be eligible for Afterpay on eBay, search for item and look for the Afterpay option listed on the product page. Not all items are eligible, so keep an eye out for products that specify pay with Afterpay. Once you have added the item to your cart, go to checkout and select Afterpay as your payment method. Follow the prompts to log into Afterpay and you will be able to split the payment into 4 installments. And that's it. Afterpay makes it easy to spread out your payments on eBay purchases. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.